little Spra-Coupe gas motor, 2,516 hours, cab. Got some kind of a device up there for guidance, I think. I don't know what that is. We just got it in. I'm going to tell you that there's a cylinder bed over here that's bypassing on this left side, but it raises up and it's not wanting to fold out. So this left side, something to do with the cylinder's not wanting to fold it out. But the right one is, and then the end booms are manual. Little dude runs good. It goes up and down fine. You see that? It's in the cradle there because we can't fold it out. I don't want to force it. They think that cylinder's bypassing on the left side that folds that out. Bar right here. Right here's the tow bar. Goes right with it. It does drive. We drove it right up here. We'll fold that back up. Like I say, if that cylinder is fixed and bypasses, I think your booms are going to be all right. He does these booms better than he fishes. Got a pretty good body on it. Like I say, we just fired it up, pulled it up here. Through the straight. It's a non-factory weld right here. Non-factory weld. Other than that, looks like it ought to go out and do the job. Welded over here. You guys buy it and like it. It's firing up right now and running, and it drives. Got that 1.8 Volkswagen gas motor in it. Pretty good running little outfit. Guys, this came off a retiring farmer actually. This one here did. He may have even passed away, I don't remember, but it'd been set and we got it, we drug it on the truck, and we actually put a new starter on this. So we had to do that to get it running.